Hello, barattoonni keenya akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waaritanii? Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to talk about some vocabulary words that are related to roosters and hen. Mata dureen keenya har'aa kaa jechoota horsiisa daanqoo wal qabatan wal baruu ta'a. Isaan kunis kaayyoowwan gooree kanaa. The specific objective of this lesson are what? Lead the words related to hen and rooster. Identify the common expression related to hen and rooster. Use the right expression when we are talking about hen and rooster. Mee fakkiiwwan kanaan gadii ilaalitii maqaa isaanii himi, hiriyaa keetti himi. Look at the following pictures and tell the names of these animals that you see here. Egaa kuni maali? Inni kuni maali? Inni kuni maali? Inni kuni maali? Maaltu wal isaan fakkeessaa? Maaltu gargar isaan baasaa? So there are some vocabulary words that we have to be accustomed with. Egaa kanarraa kaanee dura maal ilaallaa? Umurii indaanqoo yookiin lukkuu ilaalla jechuudha. Umuri, the age of the hen or rooster. So when we talk about the age of a rooster or hen, so we're going to start from where it starts. Puuphaa yookiin killee irraa jalqaba. Killeen maal isheen egaa yookiin immoo dura kana ilaaluu dandeenya. Age of hen or rooster. Puuphaa qabna dura killee yookiin hanqaaquu qabna. Hanqaaquu kana keessaa maaltu argama? Cuuciitu argama jechuudha. Isaan kun cuucii jedhamu. Cuucilee diddiimolee, cuucilee adiileen kun hin jiru. Cuucitti aanee maanni cuucii gugurdoon isaan kun cuucii gugurdoodha. Still they are chick. They are growing chick. They are grown a bigger chick. And here we have goromtii. Goromtii is what? A pullet. What is a pullet? Is a hen. Is not a hen, but bigger than the chicken and ready for laying eggs. Isaan kun goromtii jedhamu jechuudha. Goromtii irraan immoo haadhootu jira. Haadhoo indaanqoo. Haadhoo indaanqoo, goromtii, cuucilee gugurdoo, cuucilee xixiqqoo, puuphaa. So when you look at the vocabulary, himoota kana yoo ilaallu asirra maaltu jira? Puuphaan yookiin killeen yookiin hanqaaquun hin jira. Hanqaaquutti aanee cuuciitu jira. Cuuciitti aanee immoo cuuciitti xiqqoo cuucii gugurdootu jira. So we'll have big chicks. Goromtiitu immoo dhufa ergasii. Goromtii means what? A pullet or the one who is going to lay eggs but not laid yet. Haadhoo indaanqootu jira. Kormaa indaanqoonis ni jira jechuudha. So this may be focused on the sixth one is what? Kormaa indaanqoo. Kormaa indaanqooti. Kormaan indaanqoo kuni maali? Indaanqoo. Kormaan indaanqoo is the rooster, right? So the male hen. So the rooster is here. So how many vocabularies have you come across? Kanarratti hundaa'uun jechoota haaraa meeqa barattamme? Puuphaa, killee, hanqaaquu, cuucii, cuucii gugurdoo, goromtii, haadhoo indaanqoo, kormaa indaanqoo. So these are the vocabularies one can learn from this based on this one. What is this? Kuni maali? Kuni hanqaaquudha. Kuni maali? Kuni cuuciidha. Kuni maali? Kuni cuucii adiidha. Kuni immoo cuucilee gugurdoodha. Isaan kunoo goromtiidha. Ishiin kunoo haadhoodha. Haadhoo indaanqooti jechuudha. So how we call them starting from the egg up to the hen or the bigger one is like this. Hanqaaquu, cuucii, cuucii gugurdoo, goromtii, haadhoo indaanqoo. So when we talk about this, kormaa indaanqoo is there. So we have to be clear from starting from egg. This is related to umuri indaanqoo. So when we talk about umuri, it is that. Let's talk about gosoota indaanqoo meeyaasuun, types of hen. So when we talk about types of hen, gosoota indaanqoo yoo ilaalle indaanqoo faranjii, indaanqoo habashaa, indaanqoo morma qullaa yookiin morma muraa, indaanqoo kormaa, indaanqoo dhaltuu, indaanqoo tarkii. So we have turkey hen, we have male or female hen, and we have rooster, we have necked hen or bare necked hen, and we have local hen, we have foreign hen. So which one is it? You can check out which one is rooster, which one is foreign or hybrid, which one is turkey, which one is necked hen, which one is local hen, and which one do you think is the male and the female hen. Okay, well, the male hen is of course rooster. Kanaaf as keessaa indaanqoon faranjii kamii? Indaanqoon faranjii kan lammaffaarra jirtu kana. Indaanqoon habashaa immoo inni dhumaa kuni kun kormaa faltuu wal fakkaatu. They are very small. Indaanqoon mormi qullaa kun immoo isaan kana. They don't have feathers on their neck. So indaanqoo morma muraas hin jedhu, morma qullaas hin jedhama. Inni kun kormaadha, kormaa indaanqooti. Asis kormaa indaanqoo hin jira of course. But when you look at it, it's alone here. The rooster is alone here. And we have this kind of, we have foreign. Faranji, indaanqoo faranji is this one. Indaanqoo turkey is this one, turkey. So when you talk about the types of hen, so you may say male and female with feathered neck or without feather. So it's foreign and local, turkey hen. So this can be the types. The vocabulary we have here: indaanqoo faranjii, indaanqoo habashaa, indaanqoo biyya keessaa, indaanqoo morma qal'aa yookiin morma qullaa yookiin morma muraa, indaanqoo kormaa, indaanqoo dhaltuu, indaanqoo tarkii jenna jechuudha. So these are the vocabulary when you talk about hen anyway. So the picture also shows the other thing is what? Let's talk about hojiiwwan indaanqoo, activities of hen. What are the vocabulary or jechoonni hojii indaanqoo wal qabatan maal fakkaatu? Buuphaa buusuu. Yeah. A hen is laying an egg. It's not bringing out offsprings. No. Egaa buuphaa buusti indaanqoon malee ilmoo hin dhaltu jechuudha. Buuphaa buusuu. So this is laying egg is one of activities. Hojiin guddaan tokko maali? Buuphaa buusuu. Killee hanqaaquu. So it's like hippo. That means is the mimicking of the word itself. Hanqaaquu. Hanqaaquu is buuphaa or egg, and hanqaaquu means buusu or laying. Laying an egg. Alright, so also we call it buuphaa buusu, hanqaaquu, killee buusu, cirrisuu. Cirrisuu is what? Stop laying and sleeping. Sometimes the local hen likes cirrisuu. You throw it away and it comes back and it sits there, it sleeps there and saying, and like, cirrisuu, stop laying and sleeping. Hammachiisuu, hatching eggs. Cuucii yaasuu, so to open the hatched egg to chick, and that is cuucii yaasuu, So incubating and then take out the chick from the egg. That's cuucii yaasuu. Cuucii hammachuu, so hatching and giving it warm. So that's like breastfeeding for hen anyway. So cuucii hammachuu, cuucii eeguu. So I have a picture for these all things, but can you come across these vocabularies before maybe, and how is it? Buuphaa buusuu, cirrisuu, hammachuu, hammachiisuu, cuucii yaasuu, cuucii hammachuu, cuucii eeguu. So here we see this by pictures here, as you can see. So maal go'aa jirti? Hojiiwwan indaanqoon kun maal go'aa jirti? Buuphaa buusaa jirti. She's laying an egg. is laying an egg, and here after she laid a lot of eggs, many eggs, she start to chirisu. Now you see this one, she don't want to go out of the place where she laid an egg. Chiriste, lukkuun koo chiriste. My hen already stopped laying an egg, and it is what sleeping there. She want to hatch the egg. That is the way she shows. It shows that chirrisu, chirrisu, bupa busu, chirrisu, the second one. The third one is what already hatching, hammachu. Hammachu is of course embarrassing someone if it is for people. For lukku or for indanko, it is, embarrassing, covering the eggs with its wings so that it gets warm and then change it into chicks after 21 days. So the fourth one here is what? Hammachu chuchi yasu. Chuchi yasu. Chuchi yasu is what? Just breaking the egg that have a chick, and then take out the chick out of that shell of egg. Yasu, chuchi yasu, chuchi hammachu. This one is also after they are out of the shell. So embarrassing, holding by its wing is hammachu. Chuchi hammachu, chuchi yasu, then hammachu, chuchi egu. As you can see, this adin kuni, indanko adin kuni mal gua jirti. Indanko adin kuni chuchile ega jirti. She's watching out, you see. Because eagles or cats or other animals or birds may come and snatch this very small chick. So the hen is actively watching out what's going on, and it even shouts, say like that. So the other one is what? So we go to the other part. Here we have another. The activity continues here. Okay, it says what? Indankon nilola, okay, nilolti. So roosters fighting is there. So this is one activity for roosters. Indankon ni iya. Indankon iye. Rooster shouted or yelled. Iyandanko is a time like 9 o'clock at night. So that is Iyandanko when the rooster is shouting. It means Indankon nibatattisa. Rooster is chasing the hen. So this is one activity. Indankon nibatattisa, ni iya, nilola. Since it is male now, we say nilola, it fights. Ni iya, it shouts. Nibatattisa, it chases the female one. And nibarara, it will fly also. Indankon nikakifti. For when we come to the pullet or the one which is going to lay egg, we say what? Nikakifti. A hen is screaming, female one, when she is ready to lay egg, or when it is ready, when it's ready to lay egg. That is what? Like that, and this is kakisu, kakisti, nikakifti. So you see, if you look at the first one, we looked at the age of, the age, based on the age. We start from kille, chuchi gugurdo, goromti, hado, and then we proceed to, the types of lukku, and then we have roaster, korma, ndanko, ndanko, altu, ndanko korma, ndanko faranji, ndanko abasha, ndanko turkey, ndanko morma kulla or necked hen. And then we look at the activity, ndanko bupabusu, chirrisu, hammachu, chuchi yasu, chuchi hammachu, chuchi egu. We said, and then we continue, and there is another here. So ndankon nilola, fighting. A rooster may fight. Nibatattisa, a rooster may chase after a hen. Indankon ni iya, here in the fourth what you see. Ni iya means shout. And indankon ni balalia, ni barrisa. Ni barrisa, okay, ni balalia. That is what? Flying. And also screaming chicken, it says here what that mean. That is maybe a kakisu. It's to lay an egg anyway. Kakisu. Kamaaf ndaankon ni kaakifti. This is a picture of showing that. So when you come to the other part, the last part, kamut and danko. So we have different words that shows the parts of this hen. Is a very common tame animal with people. Kochon danko, the hen wings or rooster's wing is what? Kochon danko, mata danko, mila danko, ege danko, so tail of the hen, laboba danko, feather of hen, mormandanko, as we have seen the neck of the mormandanko, maji danko, so the miller of hen, maybe this is inside, afan danko, the beak of the hen, canes and danko, claws, the part of the leg, around the foot there is a claw. So this is about the hen. So we have this here, mata danko, ijan danko, gurran danko, kesan danko, kocho danko, lappe, breast is what? Lappe danko, ege danko, tafa danko, yookiin tafa danko, quban danko, it says tooth here, dugdan danko, again danko. So there are a lot of things, of course, here. So in addition to this, what is the use of indanko or uses of hen? Indanko nyaataaf fayyaddi, foon ishee nyaataaf ni fayyadamna, buuphaa ishee nyaataaf ni fayyadamna. Indaankoon hormaataaf fayyaddi, buuphaa buusuuf, cuucii yaasuuf, guddisuuf. So we use the uses of hen is what? For meat production, foon ishee nyaachuuf, for food eating, it is meat. Buuphaa ishee for eggs, and the other one is for production. That means it produce eggs. Buuphaa buusuuf, it produce chicken, chick. So cuucii yaasuuf, guddisuuf. In rural area, cuucii yaasuuf we don't have incubator in rural area. So the main production source is what? To use the hen to change the egg into chick. Oomisha xaa'oof baalleen indaanqoo kosiin yookiin immoo kuusiin indaanqoon buustu misooma lafaaf ni tajaajila. So we use the waste material that's maybe obtained from the hen for as a fertilizer for production. That means ilbiisota xixiqqoo to'achuuf ilbiisota xixiqqoo to'achuuf ni fayyada. That means kan akka goondaallee indaanqoon ni ari'a ወይ ni ariiti. So there are insects that the hen or rooster can eat, can feed on, and so that we can combat that kind of things. From this vocabulary, I think you have learned a lot. So we come across, based on our objective, list the word related to hen, danko. From chuchi, we start from chuchi, from hankaku or kille or bupa, then we go to chuchi. We go to chuchi gugurdo, goromti, hado. And we go to then also, the types of hen, korma, ndanko faranji, ndanko turkey, ndanko morma, kulla, ndanko habasha, we said. And then the activities, right? Activities that a hen do, laying eggs, buuphaa buusu, hammachuu, cirrisuu, hammachuu, yaasuu, eeguu. So this is all about. And I thank you very much. Baay'ee galatoomaa. Egaa subscribe gochuun maamila keenya ta'uu hin dagatina. Guddaa galatoomaa.